Hey guys, I have something in this case that's going to be awesome. It's the Neewer F1-400 Portable Strobe. Let's take a look at what's inside. Inside of here is the manual, the trigger, battery, charging adapter, the actual unit itself, a cap that is really hard to take off. I don't even put it on. A Bowens mount. Before we take away this hard case, this is actually a very nice case. Carries everything, has a shoulder strap, locks down. Seems pretty waterproof, but I'm not going to test it. Let's take a look at the unit. This is based off of the Profoto B1. So this thing is a studio flash, portable studio flash that you can take outside into the field. It comes with a battery, and the battery is a 3200 milliamp, rated at 350 shots, full power shots. It does come with the Bowens mount to this adapter, or you could use like a Profoto softbox, but all my gears are Bowens, so this is actually useful, and it comes with it. And to charge this battery, you have to take the battery off, charge it here, and plug it into the wall. It takes about an hour or two to fully charge this battery. You slide it on, and it snaps on. Pretty secure. Let's take a look at the unit itself. The reason I don't use the cap is it scratches up this metal part right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't even use it because it comes with a glass shield on top. This unit is actually very easy to operate. The on switch is over here. There is a couple of mode on here. This one is TTL. This does work for Canon or Nikon, and that's it. The other mode is manual, and this is the one I use the most. They also have multi, is for stroboscopic work. That's when you have the shutter open, but your flash will flash multiple times to capture different frames. So you have people, you have like 3 or 4 different exposure of the person running through the frame in one shot. The other mode is slave. There's 2 slave modes on here. Pretty handy here. And to get into the channel, you just press this button. It goes into channel and goes into group. Zooming, I don't understand zooming because this doesn't really zoom at all. Also, you have a modeling light. This thing is half power, full power. In a bind, in the dark, it's very useful. And you also have the beeping sound, turn on or turn off. Okay. You could also trigger this with a PC sync cord, and the on-off powers down here. It does have a nice glass to protect the bulb. Let's take a look at this. This is the trigger. It requires 2 battery, AA, has an infrared, has a locking mechanism very similar to like a Canon. So we're on multiple right now. There are other functions on here. So we have manual, group manual, TTL and group, TTL all, fires all at once. You got manual, single group. You also have a high speed function here, high speed sync and rear curtain sync. But the What you need to know is rear curtain only works on TTL. Now that you've seen it, let's go take it for a spin. So overall, for $320, this is an excellent product. Gave me really good results on a couple of my shoots. I highly recommend it, especially for $320. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. And Natasha,
Yeah.
tell me your Instagram account.
My Instagram is Natasha Minter, so NATASHAMINTER. Donuts allowed.
That's a wrap, guys. Oh. Eat face. We'll have an eat face in there.